Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Crypto Prediction Today or Bitcoin Forecast or BTC Price Prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And in that video, we're going to analyze for you the Bitcoin in the daily chart for you to get a clear picture about what the Bitcoin doing exactly in the daily. Then we are going to go to the 4 hours for swing trading. For people, they want to enter just for swing trading. They don't care about long-term investment. Then we're going to go to 30 minutes for scalpers and day traders if there is any opportunity for tomorrow, guys. So make sure to watch all the video, guys, from the start till the end, and don't skip the video. So let's start it. So as you see, guys, here the daily candle here, what it given us, it give us here a pin bar indicating the market is going to reverse. And here in that place where we are here, the market, it gave us there a lot of price actions there. Let's see it. As you see, guys, here in Friday, it finished the market by that candle. Then it came that one here indicating the market, it will go higher. Then that one here, it's indicating the market will fall down. So over here in that place, all the market makers or small spectaculars of the market, they playing together. And now it gives us that the market is going to fall down. So let's wait if it's going to fall down or not. So it gives us like how it happened here in that zone. Same thing happening here. But make sure about that. There is nowhere the market will go till Monday. Then you're going to see either we're going to go higher and we break here, or maybe we're going to go down till where we start from, down here, guys. Picture is too clear. And here in the daily, what else we said, people they been with us, we said from here we got an inside bar, that one here, as you see it, that red one here and that green one here. By the way, that the candle of FTX collapse. As we said here, we are not going to enter long unless if the market came and break here in the top. That when us we're going to enter long, and we're going to enter short if the market came and break here down. Because if the market came and breaking down here, you're going to go till 10k. If it's breaking up, we are going to go back to 19k, guys. Picture is too clear. So now here in the daily, we got 2 levels. We need to make a close eye at them here, that one and that one. So for scalpers and day traders, from here you need to take positions. Picture is too clear. By the way, yes, you, my friend, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day, guys, we put in for you 2 videos. Every day, 2 videos. One after European market close or the time of European market close, and one after the daily candle close. So like that, you're going to be very, very, very well updated about what the market doing exactly right now. It's not something hard, my friend. Just a red button down here telling you, hey, mister, subscribe at me. You click at it, you're going to become subscriber. Next to it, a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. Because in Telegram, my friend, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, guys, what else we said here in the 4 hours for swing trading? We enter from here us long. From that candle here, we enter long. Why? Because we used to have here that triangle, that one. When it's breaking here, we enter long. The take profit, how we calculate it? We just came here to that one here. We bring that line here and we put it in the place where it's breaking. So the Bitcoin, it will go till here, till that zone here. That's how us we enter. Stop loss of us, we put it down here in that level here. So tell now what the Bitcoin showing us now here. It's showing us we are sideways, and I tell you that in the last video Friday, I tell you the market is going to stay here sideways till Monday, guys. That's what I told you. So now what should you do here in that level? Nothing, my friend. We enter from here, we put the stop loss and we are waiting. That's it. There is nothing we can do. And here I show you that level here before, that one here. I tell it to you before that the first target over here, we're going to take some profit, guys. Here in that level, we are going to take some profit, and I'm going to show you something today. Why me? I'm still believing the Bitcoin, it will go higher, guys. Picture is too clear, guys. And here now, he given us here a small triangle. Even if you go now to lower time frames like 1 hour or 30 minutes, you're going to find it here. So for people they want to enter now, they can wait in that one to break up. But also we enter from that candle here, that one here, we enter long and we put a stop loss of us here. So there is nothing to do now, just to wait. By the way, you, my friend, yes, you, did you smash the like button? Go ahead and do it, helping us. You know that channel, without you guys, it can growing up. So please support us. You know that channel, also we're doing very hard work to put those videos for you every day, 2 videos. So please support us. We don't ask you for money or something. We just ask you for small thing from you. It will not take that much from you. Just 1 second. Pause the video now. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. Now it's going to see our indicators what they say for picture to be more clear to you guys. The one here, guys, that where me are thinking the market will go higher. I'm going to tell it to you when we can to it. Here, as you see it, we break here. Now we go back inside here, that level. So as we said every time, inside that level, there is nothing to do. But let me show you why I'm thinking the market will go higher more than that. Let me show it to you guys. If you see here, guys, here, in that one here, that peak here, and that peak here, what you seeing? You came like that in the chart, that indicator of us, and you do it like that. You put there a line. And you came here in the chart, and you do in here a line. Like that. It give you here a hidden divergence, guys. That hidden divergence, what it meant? That it's not like a normal divergence how we used to have it here down. Because before we used to have here down a divergence. That would push the market to go all that much up. Go back here to explain those things to you. So that hidden divergence also we have here, guys. That one is a continuation divergence, guys. That's the difference. By the way, I don't need to explain all those things because the video is going to be very long like that. There is 2 types of divergence, guys. There is hidden divergence and the classic divergence. The classic divergence like that one here down. We used to have here a classic divergence. And as you see, the market move upward, guys. But here we have a hidden divergence. That hidden divergence, the role of it, the market will go higher, guys. We are not 100% sure, but that's what the rule of that hidden divergence. So now what shall we do here? Once we enter long and our view is going to go up till the overbought area here. That's when us we're going to take profit, guys. Till now there is nothing to do, just wait. Picture is too clear, guys. Now it's going to see our other indicator what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. The one here, what else we said about it? We used to be here at the oversold area. Level we used to be in a very stronger supply and demand zone as you see it. Third thing will make us to enter is the price action. When it's breaking here, we enter long. Now where we are, guys? We are here at the middle. At the middle, what should we do? There is nothing to do, guys. We just need to wait it, guys, till it came here to the overbought area. That when also we need to take profit. Now, there is nothing to do. That's just for swing trading, guys. For long-term trading, you need the Bitcoin to come back and to break here. If it doesn't come back and break here, there is no entry, guys. For swing trading, us, we're aiming to take profit from here to here. Then if it's going to drop, we enter short with it. But for long-term trading, as I tell it to you before, it needs to come back inside here to give us here that well-known pattern of the Wyckoff, guys. I'll show you all those things in the previous videos, guys. Everything is too clear, and I'm going to come back to you in another video after the European market close. So if you are not a subscriber, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now it's going to 30 minutes to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you guys. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes, what me I told you in the last video. The last video, it's still in the channel. What me I said here. I said we got here a double top here. I told you if it's break the lower of it, you enter short. Did it break? Yes. Look where we are now. If you just enter here from the break till here, you are in profit. Look at it. Look here, over here. That's the line of the double top, guys, and that candle here which is break, so you enter till now you are in profit, yes or no? And here that triangle I show you in the 4 hours, look at it here, you see it or no? So that one it will go down till here, till it will touch in here, guys. Picture is very clear to you. Now what should you do, guys? Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator what it's saying, guys. It's enter here at the oversold area. So the people they enter from that zone here, in that zone here, you need to start thinking of to take some profit, guys. In that level here, you need to start thinking of to take some of the profit. And here what you got? Look with me here and look with me here. You got a down channel, yes or no? Now, if the price of the Bitcoin came and breaking up here in the top of that channel, you enter long. Where is the top of that channel? Is it the 200 moving average? So if it came and breaking here, you enter long, guys. Everything is too clear? And please, guys, don't forget to support us. Smashing the like button. You done it? And write with it a comment, please. So, guys, that's it for that video. See you after European market close or the time of my European market close. Bye for now, guys.